It's Tech Lid, and we're bullish. The stampede is coming, baby. In this video, we will be taking a look at NIO stock. The ticker symbol, of course, NIO. At the close of the market on Friday, NIO went for $45.32. Right now, we're going to talk a little bit of an option play that I have going into next week. It's going to be an option date. It's going to be a date that's going to give us a few weeks to work with. Let's take a look at the price of NIO during the last 5 days. So NIO actually started the week around $50 and then it hit all the way up to $51.48. Of course, many of you know I already had an option call on NIO, a $51 call, so that indeed did hit. NIO passed $51, so I hope that many of you were not greedy and got out on time enough to collect your profits. But then we had this dip down here. NIO got as low as $42 and it's currently at $45.32. That's where we ended the week for NIO. So, just before we continue the video, a quick disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Always make sure to do your own due diligence and research when you invest in any type of market. When you do the homework and you do the research, you will come out winning. Bank on it. Let's just take a look at some stats here for NIO, if you will. NIO right now is a strong buy according to tipranks.com. Out of 9 analyst ratings, 9 of them have it as a buy. So people will be looking to get in. Take a look at these averages. I really like this right here. We have $50 on the low end, $64 as an average, and $81 as a high. This is, of course, a 12-month price target. So basically, NIO is below their low end of what it could be. So definitely, NIO looks to be trending up. Even on the lowest end, they have it at $50. So it's definitely something to keep an eye out on with NIO. Let's just go over some news that happened. NIO dips more than broader markets. What you should know. So this article is from Thursday, July 8th. Okay, so right here, heading into today, shares of the company had gained 7.72% over the past month, outpacing auto tires truck sector's loss of 1.95% and the S&P 500's gain of 3.22% in that time. Investors will be hoping for the strength that Investors will be hoping for strength from NIO as it approaches its next earnings release. So being that NIO is actually a bit down right now, I don't see this as a bad thing. I see this as an accumulation zone and an accumulation period for those looking to get into NIO stocks and NIO options as well. So this is just an article here from Yahoo Finance. If you want to look it up yourself and read the entire article. NIO dips more than broader markets. What you should know. That is the headliner. Just make a Google search on that so that you could read it in its entirety. Just went over something really small there. So some more information here. This is from barchart.com. 9 analysts are having a moderate buy for NIO. 5 of these 9 are a strong buy. So think of it, more than half of the analysts are talking that and saying and they believe that NIO is a strong buy. 1 is a moderate buy and 3 are saying hold the stock. Look at the important thing though here. Out of 9 analysts, not 1 said sell NIO. So this is definitely positive sentiment and it is an encouraging thing to see. Now for the moment that we've been waiting for, just the option call. $45.32. We're going to give NIO some time. I think that within the next 2 weeks, we could see a little bit of a spike up. Remember, options are very volatile, so you don't want to go crazy with these things. Let's have an expiration date here for July the 30th. This would be the play if you want to get in. Right now, currently $45.32. Let's lower the bar just a little bit. How about a $47 call by July 30th? You would go on, you would continue, and you would hit one contract, which would cost you $234, depending on how many contracts you want to put. Let's say 3 contracts would be $702. So, of course, it all depends on your pockets, how much you're willing to risk and invest. Remember, options plays are very volatile, so you always have to be careful. If you don't believe in the play, don't even risk it and don't even get in. But one contract, this is what I would do, or maybe 2, and I would take that risk for $47. That $47 call looks good. It has 2 weeks time to hit. If NIO indeed does drop a bit, it does have time to recover and make its way up $47. Of course, you can sell before it hits $47. The important thing is just to make sure that you know you're taking profits, whatever your risk tolerance may be. That is always the important thing here when it comes to options. So if you're around that $47 zone, that's the time to possibly close the play and get out with all of your profit. So 2 weeks here, July 30th, a $47 call for NIO. I think it has the strength to move up, being that it already came down from $51. So this is a zone to go back up, climb that extra leg up. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up so we can move this YouTube algorithm and set up these NIO options calls. If you don't like the video, all is well. Dislike the video. The news ain't gonna stop. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so you can stay notified and up to date. Until the next time, peace and love to the Tech Lid Legion.